Where's the mix?
多东西，不要。
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. We are back.
We're back with a new video. So what video are we doing today?
Cooking. It's a cooking show, mukbang.
But with a twist. Right?
Blind, deaf, and mute challenge. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we are going to be making cake.
A cake.
Blind, deaf, and mute. So
Yeah.
Keon's gonna be blind, Risha's gonna be deaf, and I'm gonna be mute.
And we have a camera right here. Hi.
you have two angles.
Yeah, we have
Okay, so let's start.
You look beautiful. We blind. Listen.
Wait, I want to hear whether you can hear stuff or not.
Hello. 你好吗？听不到吗？听不到？听到？哎呀，Johanna，怎么你要这样啊？我看你的。嘘，我听到了。ChocoBananaMochi FM。
Okay. I'm waiting for somebody to talk to me because I have no idea, and this is not my home as well.
Okay, water.
Water. I know water. Let me get the cup. Is
Okay, 190 ml, 3/4. Well, baby, some more. Let's try it now.
Do we have cameraman? I don't cover it. Alright, we are back in the 190 ml, 2.5 cup. Is it? I know that one. Okay. What else? Where's the mix? Where's the egg?
God damn, why? 不要看，是我开给你看的。
What happened?
不要看，这不好玩。Vegetable oil, 65 ml, 3 egg. 3 egg.
Give it to me.
3 egg. 3 egg.
什么？
What did she say? She said, She say, she said like this. What does that mean?
3 eggs.
Yeah.
3 eggs.
Don't have 3 egg, only got 2 egg.
Run out of eggs. Sorry.
You run out of egg.
So just use 2 eggs.
I guess I don't have to do
Where's the
anything.
With oil.
Let me do something, guys. I can hear you. I can hear you. I still can hear you. Enough the nonsense, please. Okay. What is this? This is the pan. Okay.
No butter.
No butter. Oh yeah, I cannot. Sorry.
No way. No. 很大声，我讲你更大声，你更大声。
It's louder.
I'll show you, so show me. I'll show you, show you.
Over. I know. Okay, then where to pour? Let me know。
在做什么？
我在准备倒。
啊？
要
倒？哦，倒。
这样很大声。She's so loud, guys。有东西吗？
裤子？
Is there anything inside？
大啊？
里面
这个？
有东西咩？
这个有东西吗？没有东西。
这怎么你用这样子？
空空，全部都空。
Then why？
你不要倒，你不要倒。
No, I know.
哦，你要导游。
No, 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 no.
不要导游，
我不知道。
要导游。Grease the pan with oil. Grease the pan with oil.
Okay, what? Grease the pan with oil. How to grease? How? I know the oil is here. Then what to do? Is that a baking paper? Yes. Okay, just. Okay. I know how to do it. You let me do it. I do this every day. Last time. Let me do it. I want to do it. 听不到东西，在那边吵。
What are they saying?
哎，不是有一个尖尖的东西没在哪里啊？
没有的。哦，
这什么玩意
我在找新人。
什么玩意
？Baking paper. Where's the thing? I'm finding the 尖尖的地方。哎呀，算了啦，来啦，剪掉来。Just cut it! Oh my god! Would you want to do it like this? 咦，怎么会这样子 ？Look at my hand, I tell you.
压下去，压下去。
哎，看到。
Buat apa? Kawan, sini. Bawa.
Jangan langsung. She's so loud.
Cepatlah.
Tahu. Jengsyong. Ni们都不会讲。
不要用手 brush. Grease the pan.
The. OK， 那么。这什么东西啊？快点拉！
智智拉罢了，拉智智啊，拉完啊。
Doing it right。
上面也弄，啊，下面还有弄，上啊。再啦，下。哪里我都会这样子做。
对啦，我是这样觉得。
没有，你要在这里放那个油，这个你要在这里放。
给它粘在，给它粘着。
哦，你听得到吗？因为现在是 pot milk，它要放歌。
啊！我就觉得奇怪，怎么听得懂？
사랑해. 뭐?
Give me something, then I can pour inside. Oh, you want me to open? Oh, 哦，你在开那个 premix. I know, I can do it. 哎呀，I think I'll just stand back here.
给他倒，给他倒，给他倒，给他倒。
来 I can do it
不要了，不要了，给他倒。
no I can do it
还有很多，还有很多。
没有就完了
继续。
Okay good where's the egg oh vegetable oil no milk
Mix all ingredients continuously for 3 minutes around this smooth and pour into the pan. Mix all ingredients continuously. Water mix and
okay pour water inside put egg inside you can pour can I
water. 你有准备 vegetable oil 吗 ？Vegetable oil 1 over 3 cup, 63 ml.
来 vegetable oil
鸡蛋3个，
来
鸡蛋3个，你们要搅鸡蛋吗？
可以搅
可以没？
可以
可以吗？
拿过来2个吧没有3个下去没有啊可以放啊没事可以吗有没有破掉没有啊没啊 OK thank you OK
哦，等一下，我要讲。Let me do it.
来老师怎么做
走开！不要在我的衣服上面骂可以吗？你不要骂。这边直走。骂了。那边直走也可以骂。骂了。我骂了。那边，去那边坐，直走。去那边坐，去。那边有位置坐，坐。那边有位置坐，去坐。不要踩我脚！我没有给人家问。Welcome to Richard's cooking show. Let's begin. This is how I did it. Let's put some 煎蓉 in it. 3分钟好吗
How will I know
去看啊！直走，那边有个。
cannot see
讲完了，我讲完了，他做很多东西，不要。
哇，OK，
泡，你会弄吗？走开，姐姐来。
I can wash the bowl
Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool for at least 15 minutes. 里面有 cake 啊
Okay, it goes back into the oven.
That's why. Oh my god, my ears. Okay,
We have put our baking thing into the oven already.
okay done.
Now we give you extra footage.
Extra footage. Oh, again washing dishes. Yeah.
So we shall wait for the food.
Oh my god, did I talk very loud?
Damn loud.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, my ears.
Okay, guys. So we shall wait for the food.
你说知道我这个洗干净吗？你都看不会，怎么知道？等一下我脱掉。啊？
Wait,
Isn't it clean?
Oh, clean, it's really clean. Look at it. White. Yeah, 不 clean 没有，刚刚看到丑到要死。你这杯水嘛？Who will wash here?
哦，我根本就没有看。它里面这个 OK 的。Yeah, look at our cake.
That is the end for our mute, blind, and deaf challenge. This is our cake.
Success, man.
It's quite spongy and
Although it's burnt a bit.
yeah, although it's burnt a bit at the side lah, but still tastes good.
Actually,
I think it will go well with ice cream.
Yeah.
But we don't have it here.
No.
Let us know if you want us to film for part 2 or
他
something.
突然间讲话很大声。What should we put next? Comment down below.
我听到你讲喂。
Okay guys, see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, follow our Instagram. Okay, bye bye.
不够。